Hello everyone, Talisha here, also known as CreativiTeeByT. I'm standing outside in the parking lot because I am trying not to do it. I'm trying not to, but my temptation has been defeated, so I'm getting ready to head on into Joann's and get some more patterns that I don't need. So if you want to see what I end up picking up, please continue to watch. Alright everyone, so as you saw, I went to Joann's. I picked up several patterns. I also had to run around town to get some errands done, so I tried to be good. I didn't get too many patterns, you know, more than what I need probably, but I do like them all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you to the table so that you can see the patterns real clear, the camera not moving, things like that, and you can see everything that I picked up, and you can let me know in the comment section below which one you like most, which one you maybe want to see me make first, you know, things like that. So I'll go ahead and take you to the table now. Alright, so for the first pattern that I picked up McCall's 8281, and the description is Mrs. Dresses. I really do like this dress. I think it's super cute. I do have similar styles of dresses like this, but not this one. And in order to get this style from the patterns that I have, I would have to hack it, and that's not something that I really want to do over $2. So I went ahead and picked this up. What I really like most about this is I like the drop shoulders, I like the drop waist, and I like the gathers at the waist. The other thing I liked about this pattern is that even though this pattern came out as a summer pattern, this is a pattern that could be worn year-round depending on the fabric that you use, because you have your sleeveless view, you have your short sleeves, and you have your long sleeve, and the dress goes long enough on your legs to where you would be covered. So I think this is a very good versatile pattern, and I definitely wasn't going to pass it up. So here are the line drawings in the back, and the suggested fabrics are going to be your gauze, your linen, cotton blends, and your stable knits. So it's versatile in the way of being able to use different types of fabrics. Then I picked up McCall's 8288. Now, if you know me by now, you already know that I love a good jumpsuit, and this certainly was not going to be left behind. The pattern description is Mrs. and Women's rompers, jumpsuit, and sash. I love this look. The look that I especially love the most is the look that the model is wearing, View D. I would make any view, honestly, but like I said, View D is what was drawn to me. This is another pattern that could be worn year round. This has 4 different views, and you have View D, which is the view that I like the most. You can wear that through every season, honestly, because it's just perfect. And then you have views B and C and A that are good for the summertime. View B would also be good for fall too, but yeah, it's just a really good all around. So here are the line drawings in the back, and the suggested fabrics are going to be your cotton blends, gauze, linen, and stable knit. So once again, you can use this pattern with different types of fabric types. Then we have McCall's 8286, and this is probably my favorite out of the whole entire bunch. Let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite, but yes, this is my favorite, and this is Mrs. and Women's Dresses. That's what the description is. I love View B, I love View A, and I love View C. I love them all equally, and I love that this is yet another year-round type of pattern for me. You will definitely be seeing this very, very soon. So here are the line drawings in the back, and the suggested fabrics are going to be your cotton blends, crepes, gauze, and your linens. So yes, definitely loving this. Then I picked up McCall's 8284, And the pattern description is Mrs. Dresses and Tops. Love, love, love this. I think this is absolutely adorable. I love view C, which is the dress that the model was wearing, and I love view A. I do like views B and C, but I really picked it up for view C and view A. I can so see myself in a dress like that. I really love the collar, and that is what drew me to the pattern. That collar is unique. I don't have anything like that, and so I think that would be super, super pretty to make. So here are the line drawings in the back, and the suggested fabrics are going to be your cotton blends, poplin, challis, crepe back satin. And then I picked up McCall's 8285, and the pattern description for this is Mrs. Tops and Dresses. I think that this dress is super cute. I love that it's a button-down dress with tiers, and that is why I was drawn to it. I like view D for the summertime, and I really like how there's gathers under the yoke, at the yoke I should say, in the front. Really, really nice, but all the way around, this is a just good pattern. There's not a bad view, and there are 4 different views. So here are the line drawings in the back, and the suggested fabrics are going to be your cotton blends, lawn, eyelet, and gauze. And once again, this is another pattern that can be worn year-round. So I'm just kind of wondering if they were doing this intentionally because maybe they just want their patterns to be a little bit more versatile with the seasons, or if they know they're going to be late getting their fall collection out. And then I picked up McCall's 8287, and the pattern description for this is Mrs. Tops. I was drawn to this because it reminds me of the Galaxy tee that I just made, but it's in a woven form. I thought this was super cute. The Galaxy tee does have, a rounded neckline, but it's the puff shoulders with the band and the gathers at the band and the gathers at the top of the shoulders that really drew me to it. I think it's super cute. The other thing I liked about this pattern is I like how there are, the front darts and the back darts, because it kind of gives it shaping, and I really like that within the top, and I really like all the views. The bonus is a level 2 learn to sew, so it's not going to be difficult at all to make, and I can see myself making this in all the views. And this is also good for scrap busting as far as I'm concerned. You can make the front and back out of like some leftover fabric, and you can make the puff sleeves out of something different, and it won't even look bad because of the style of it. I really like that. And as far as view C is concerned, you could make the front and back with one type of fabric, the puff sleeves with the same fabric, and then kind of contrast it with the collar and the sleeve band. So yeah, I see this being something that you could really work with your different scraps and kind of get something beautiful out of, and that is like another main reason why I picked it up. So here are the line drawings in the back, and the suggested fabrics for this is going to be your gingham, cotton blends, linen, and sateen. So this pattern that I picked is McCall's 8292, and the pattern description is Mrs. Pants and Shorts. I like all the views. View C is a little bit wider, I believe, than view B. I think that's the only difference. I really can't tell. And view A is going to be your shorts. Now, I like the style of this. Now, I know my husband would hate it. He does not like flare leg pants, but I do. And the only thing about this pattern is it does have a front fly. I do not have much experience with making front flies, so that may be a little difficult, but I do want to give it a try. So the suggested fabrics are going to be your linens, chambray, and staple knits, and your lightweight twill. I can definitely see this in all of those fabrics. And another thing with this pattern, I looked at the bottom. If you pick up this pattern or if you see it in the store, it says scan QR code for a sew along tutorial by sewing celebrity Mimi G. So Mimi G has issued a sewing tutorial for this pattern for you all to sew along with, and maybe that will help me with my front fly situation. Well, that is all that I have for this pattern haul. I hope you enjoyed and liked the patterns that I picked up. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you have not done so, go ahead and subscribe and hit the great notification bell so that you can be notified of future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers for your continued support. And I will see you in the next video, which is going to be Sunday, where I am sharing look number 2 in my summer vacation sewing series. I'm very excited to share. I do have additional videos that are coming out. I have like 4 makes that I have not shared that I want to share on the channel. So just stay tuned all the way around, and so that I can share all of this goodness with you. Thank you so much again, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye.